Hi guys, this is Joshua Flynn here with a PES pack opening. It's my first one, so yeah, pack opening. So we'll get into this. Just need one thing. Look, I have, you might not see, but 1,200 PES coins. And this is my team. I'll show you it. Luis Suarez, Jamie Vardy, Robson Kanu, Sam Vokes. It's actually really good. So, back opening now. Yay. Come on. Please run. Oh my god. He's alright. Let's reflex and go to my squad. Next pack. Come on. Yeah. Please run. Oh my god, he's running. Baka, he forwarded. Did not want you, but come to my squad. This is like a very short episode. Black ball. Please run. Oh my god, and I'm goalie. Trap. He's okay. I mean, he's okay. I think this is my last pack. That's easy, black. Looks good. He's running. Morata. Okay. So guys, that was my first PES pack opening. Hope you enjoyed it. See you later.